I was sent a set of these 20-inch filters and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video, so here goes. These get sold as a set of 2, and these filter down to 5 microns, which is pretty good. It's a 20-inch by a 4.5-inch size filter, so you're going to want to make sure your filter housing is set for that style of filter material. This is great for removing rust. That's the first thing that I typically see on these is I get some reddish color sometimes on them, but also dirt, silt, and sand, and any undissolved particles are going to get stuck in here. So these have a narrow entry here in the center and a very thick filtering media here throughout. So they come in a pack of 2, and then when you take them out, you're going to find that again they're individually wrapped like this with plastic, so they're going to be preserved and ready to go if you've got some in storage while you're waiting to use them and replace your original filters. So there you go. These are really a great set of filters for all kinds of uses in your home. And I hope this video was helpful and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.